Income disclaimer. The income projections provided to you before enrollment should not be treated as a guarantee of your projection of your actual earnings or profits. Success with Prife depends solely on your hard work, dedication, strategy, and leadership. A true leader knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Welcome to Knowing Your Business series.
Good evening, everyone. Yes, and of course, tonight I am your presenter and welcome to our episode 2. Ayan. So, I know that everybody's excited. As everybody's excited, let me share to you my screen. Yes, so welcome to our episode 2, third and fourth ways to earn, and we're so really so excited. I know all of us are looking forward, including me, and we had an amazing episode last time, which is the first and second. So now those who are here, this is a continuation of those who are attending right now, continuation of what we have learned last We Care Academy schedule, which is Friday. There you go. So right now, again, this third and fourth way to earn is still part of our compensation plan, which is right now we're very excited as we heard our Dean Faith that it is indeed a lucrative, really generous compensation plan. Okay, so of course here I still have the income disclaimer, although our video already showed. So just to remind all of us that we are the CEO of our business. There you go. And now proceeding to our third and fourth. Okay, so last Friday we learned about the 1 and 2. So just to give a little an introduction, basically, if you're confused, when I say confused, as a starter, hindi ka pa masyado sanay sa marketing plan at bagong-bago ka, it would be good to have kumbaga like the same way like I do to remember. It's not really memorizing but remembering and knowing it, understanding it by heart. I would suggest, okay, the way I place or I put it this way when I share the compensation plan is the first 3, which we will always see the fast track income, but at the same time I would always put it in my mind and in my heart, yung first 3, they're always together. So yung 1, 2, and 3, lagi siyang magkasama, usually, okay? Especially, ito yung i-discuss natin on the third level because we heard regarding the first and second, they're always together. It's like a twin, kumbaga, it's a twin plan. Kumbaga, it's a twin way to receive an income. Every time we sponsor someone, 1 and 2 is always there for us. Kumbaga, we receive the bonus 1 and 2. So now, in terms of placement, okay, dyan na nagsisimula, this is where we will start, the third, which is the level pairing bonus, and then, of course, the group pairing bonus. So let me start already by discussing, okay, what is the level pairing bonus? As we can see here, it says here, this is bonus based on your direct sponsored package. So again, like the 1 and 2, basically, if you would have something to be remembered and you would always want to remember, paano nga ako nababayaran, di ba? So 1, 2, and 3, usually this first 3, it's usually based on the package that you sponsored. Okay? So basically, in this example, you can see the U, okay? Anong example niya? The first level you see, it's the same silver. So first, before we jump into that level, no? Ano ba muna ang ibig sabihin ng level pairing bonus? Okay? Level pairing bonus, by the word itself, kumbaga, binibigyan tayo ng bonus, okay, an explanation or binabayaran tayo kapag nakikita ng system na nagpapares. Saan? Sa bawat level, okay? Kumbaga sa bawat first level, second level, kumbaga sa bawat hakbang, okay? Medyo ano yung Tagalog ko, but for our understanding, so per level, nakikita ng system merong nagpapares doon, kaya nababayaran, so nabibigyan tayo ng bonus. But ang maganda po dito, ito yung gusto ko i-specify. Lalo na if this is not our first time, okay? This is not our first time to have this kind of plan. We are used to the pairing. We usually hear that pairing or in Tagalog, you know, bangga-bangga, kumbaga. But for us to understand, one good thing about this level pairing is that what? Meron po siyang tinatawag na safety feature. Part of the compensation plan is the 40% of every first pair. So, ibig sabihin, ang maganda po sa kanya, kahit sa ang level, kahit umabot siya ng ika-1,000, as long as in that level, itong specific na to na third way to earn, yung level pairing bonus, actually this is very unique. This is one of the unique na in my experience I have seen in our plan, yung tinatawag na level pairing. Kasi possible na pag gusto mo magkaroon ng safety feature sa compensation plan, wag mo na lang sila babayaran per level. But in this, I just want to capitalize because I really appreciated this level pairing bonus because kahit hanggang dulo, as long as it is the first pair. Ayan. So everyone has an opportunity to earn. Okay? Every level, everyone has an opportunity as long as it's the first pair of that level until infinity. Ayan. So ilang percent? As we can see here, it's 40% of what? The point value that the system will see na magpe-pair. So I repeat ha, kumbaga pag nakita ng sistema na for example, in this example, no, the first level, may silver which is 200 PV and then another silver on the left. So left and right nga silver, ano ang PV niya? 200. So basically 40% of the 200 is the $80. Now, let us jump to the second level. Ay, paano yun? Si diamond yung sa left, di ba? And then yung sa right, silver lang. Anong gagawin ng system? Of course, ang ipe-pair muna ng system, okay? Ang ipe-pair niya muna yung lowest PV, okay? Which is, in this case, silver. But, you don't have to worry because yung kapartner na diamond, nagwe-wait lang siya. Yun, isa din yan sa magandang feature ng ating level pairing. Ano yun? Na pag nag-upgrade si partner, if this second level partner, which is the silver, upgrades from silver to diamond, you don't need to worry because the system will give or will pay you with that difference, okay? That you were paid. Like, for example, in this case, diamond has 800, supposed to be $800, okay? Because 2,000 PV, 40% of 2,000 PV is 800. So, for example, in this case, you were just paid 80. So, $800 minus 80, the difference will be paid back to you. Wow, that's really amazing. So, basically, this is how level pairing bonus is. So, as you can see, just to recap and give a note, the first left zone account and the first right zone account will generate level pairing. Yeah, exactly. That's what I shared a while ago, that at the end of the day, what's really amazing, okay, with the first two, okay, wow, this is really great. The first two, so I am excited. I share these people. Now, where do I put them? So I was paid. I got the bonus of sharing to them, sponsoring them. But the moment I put them in my genealogy, the moment I put them in that level, in that placement, wow, I get paid with my placement. So that's how the level pairing bonus is explained. Or should I say, at the end of the day, is really one of the most generous for me. Why? Because take note, the first 1 and 2 that we learned last Friday, it should be directly sponsored by you. But in this case, so the third level, the third way, which is the level pairing, is not just limited to your directly sponsored. As long as it will be placed, it is placed in your genealogy, whether it is your it's your direct sponsor, the second, third level, whoever up there will continue just putting it as placement. So just to put it this way, first 1 and 2 giving us bonus when we shared, but now to place them in your genealogy, then you get paid whether you directly sponsored or it will be your top leaders that will sponsor. Wow, it's really amazing. So that is the really amazing level pairing bonus. In short, as long as nasa same genealogy po tayo, kahit hindi ikaw na ang directly na nag-share sa kanila, basta na iba to sa iyong klase, kumbaga sa iyong basta sa iyong hierarchy. Okay? So yan yung nakikita nating placement hierarchy. So narinig natin last Friday, direct sponsor ibig sabihin family hierarchy. Dito po, whether family hierarchy or placement hierarchy, mababayaran tayo as long as siya ay first pair sa level na yon. Okay, so amazing. Very amazing. Now let's moving on, of course, to the next one, which is the group pairing bonus. So kanina fast track, ito na po yung first bonus. I place something here. This is now bonus based on your package. So if a while ago, the third way to earn, the bonus is based on the package of the person you sponsored. Now this is the starting point where you will be paid, I will be paid, we will be paid based on now on our package. Okay, why? First, I'll give the general picture. By the word itself, group, pairing, bonus. So ginugrupo na siya. So kumbaga ipunan na siya, whether effort mo, effort na ng lahat. So naghalo na yung points doon. Kumbaga may silver, may gold, may diamond. Hindi katulad kanina on the third, specific siya. You see, galing, no? It's really, ito po yung mga pinag-iisipan na mga marketing plan, okay? So basically, anong ginagawa niya? By the word itself, group pairing. So pag nakikita na may grupo sa left at may grupo sa right, of course, yun po yung kanilang minamatch ng system, nakikita niya, at mababayaran po tayo base sa kung ano na yung package natin. So in this case, I repeat, bonus based on your package. So group pairing bonus basically combines the points of left group and combines the group points of right group in terms of point value, okay? And then basically we'll match that, we'll pair that. But in this case, in this example, you see strong leg retention, okay? Ano yung strong leg retention? What does that mean? We'll explain it in a bit. And of course, on the right, you will see the daily bonus calculation. So in this example, it's good thing it's actually self-explanatory, but just to give a little add-on detail, why do they need to put strong leg retention? If you are not aware, normally in other, plans, okay, which I have experienced as well, basically the computation of the daily computation will usually be 0 the next day. What do I mean? After they compute today, whatever is left, kahit hindi siya nabayaran, even though it's not paid, it's back to 0. And then the next day, you start again, both right and left. Can you imagine? Okay, you've worked for that, kahit papano. I know it's a group, pairing bonus is a group effort, but it would help. So this is one, okay, a while ago you heard safety feature, but this is one of a unique, I should say, unique feature of our compensation plan, the strong leg retention. So what does it mean? In this case, instead of being 0, if, for example, your daily bonus calculation, okay, for example, has here 2,000, example 2,000 PV, and then your strong leg retention has 3,000 PV, if it matches, of course, 2,000 minus 3,000, you have 1,000 left on your strong leg retention. So, pag binawas mo yon, yung 1,000 na yon, maghihintay siya for another the next day. Wow. Okay, so it will wait. So the points will just stay there, and of course, waiting again to be paired from the daily bonus calculation side, whichever. By the way, as an add-on, this one, okay, this one is not permanent. What do I mean? It doesn't mean that today your left group is your strong leg and then your right group is your daily bonus calculation, because daily it could change. You know, it's like a dance. Today could be the left group, tomorrow it could be the right group to be your strong leg retention. So that is how this group pairing bonus would go. So hindi po siya permanente. Hindi porket ito yung nagra-running leg, because depende na ngayon. You'll never know. Maybe one of your team there suddenly just really worked so hard because wanted to really build. There's a lot of strong builder here in the retailer. So it depends on the daily calculation. So again, it's not permanent. So just I went ahead of myself just to give an example. Okay, I gave already the principle, but in terms of calculation, as I mentioned, it is based on my package. If I am a silver, then my calculation will be 8%. So with my example given a while ago, if this is 2,000 PV times 8%, if I'm a silver. But if I'm a gold, times 10%, and of course, if I am a diamond, times 12%. So whatever will be the result of the calculation will now be dependent on the daily max out. So it would be good if you see that you're growing, your team is growing already, it's time to upgrade. And why? Because, for example, your daily bonus calculation, okay, after multiplying your 8%, the bonus will be $320. I am sorry, because you will only receive $300. Why is that? Because your silver daily max out is only $300. And where will the $20 go? Okay, it is given to Price, of course. And then the gold, the same way, and of course the diamond. So just to give an added explanation, you can see here, okay, levels 1, 2, and 3 receive only a level pairing bonus. There is no group pairing bonus for these levels. Yeah, I will explain in a bit with illustration. From level 4 and onwards, you will receive the group pairing bonus. All packages can enjoy a pairing bonus for infinity level. Yes, it is good to know that the third and fourth way to earn are both infinity. Yay! Infinity means sa kadulo-dulo-dulo-duluhan. Basta under sa organization po natin, hanggat nasasakop po ng ating genealogy, pasok pa rin po sa points given that for the third income, it is your first pair. And then on the fourth way to earn is from 4 level onwards, the system will combine it. Now, based on the illustration, here you go. Your silver sponsor, silver bonus, ito po, this is the difference, okay? So as you can see, this, the DS and product points, this was discussed last Friday, but the third and fourth, this is the third and fourth way to earn. I just put number there so that we are aware. So the number 3 is the level pairing. So in this example, it is A and B, A1 and B1, A2 and B2. So LP means level pairing. So naka-receive po itong si Miss Silver, okay, dahil babae itong picture dito, okay, hanggang infinity makaka-receive siya nitong $80. So wala siyang max daily, as you can see. Pero pagdating kay group pairing, meron na siyang max daily group pairing. Ano po yon? Nakita nyo from 4 level down, ito po yung kukombine ng system. So $300 pag daily. And of course, on the month, 9,000 per month. So not bad. Medyo, I mean, it is a good added income. But if you really wanted to bring it to the next level, of course, it would be good to have gold, of course. The max daily of gold is 900 and per month is $27,000. So the same example as the previous illustration. So ito po yung third and fourth way to earn, the one in red. So medyo lumaki, nakita nyo po. In this case, the level pairing, 240. Why? Because this is assuming that A and B, A1 and B1, A2 and B2 are both gold. Okay? So that is the example there. And of course, the blue colored, this is where the group pairing is calculated. So in this case, ang max daily po is 900 and ang max per month will be $27,000. And I'm sure everybody wants the diamond. Of course, okay. The diamond is, of course, the highest, okay, which is really very great, especially if day one, we really see this as our business, may it be part-time, full-time, but diamond is the top right now on the list, especially if we get the pro or we get the Oxytab. This is automatic diamond, the bio, okay? So the diamond level would be the 800 level pairing. Again, I repeat po, the number 3 is again based on A and B are both diamond. So diamond po ang kinuha nila. Si A1 at si B1 diamond po ang kinuha nila and A2 and B2 diamond ang kinuha. So both of them diamond, that's why po you receive $800. Okay? Because 40%, remember on the previous discussion, 40% of the point value. So 40% ng 2,000 PV. Pero hindi automatic na diamond ka, okay, yan yung marireceive. So inuulit ko lang po so that we don't get confused. On the third way to earn, again, ang bonus po is based sa kinuha ng inisponsoran mo. So it's based on the person. The package that the person you sponsored got. So that is the basis. But on the fourth way to earn, which is the group pairing, this is number 4. Now, as you can see, naka-blue din po yung diamond. This is a guy. So this guy is a diamond package, therefore gets 12%. So as you can see in the example, group pairing is 240 because 240 times 3, okay, is $720. So because this is assuming that the diamond po talaga yung kinuha niya, so 12% po yung group pairing bonus. Okay? So max daily is 3,750 and of course per month is 112,500. Okay. So actually this explanation of how the third and the fourth, especially the difference between the third and the fourth is already done. Now I will just show saan to makikita or how do we know where to see that level pairing bonus, the third and the fourth. Okay, so I will just show this a quick bonus summary. Our level pairing here, as you can see, 40%, and then the group pairing is 8%, 10%, and 12%. So actually it's very easy to remember because 8, 10, 12. Okay, and of course the max daily is 3,900, 300, 900, and 3,750. So of course we heard and we had a discussion last Friday regarding this direct sponsor, 10%, and of course the point value and the product points. Okay, so now just to give another illustration, we usually see this when we see the presentation. This is another example, especially in the Philippine setting. So since we are here in the Philippines, and I know there are some who have joined us outside the Philippines, this could be in dollars, okay? But now we just place a peso equivalent so that for Filipinos, we more or less can calculate, okay, in our currency. So as you can see here, the one in red, this is what I have discussed right now. The third way to earn is level pairing. So those who are always seeing this every presentation and they're still confused, so this is our opportunity to look at it again, okay, with an explanation, okay? Kumbaga yung himay na explanation. So maybe lagi natin nakikita, no, ano yung DS, yung RB. So yan po yung diniscuss ng Friday, direct sponsor tsaka redemption bonus. So yan po yung diniscuss last Friday. So ngayon, kasama lagi sa example, again, itong third way, yung level pairing. So as you can see, ito po dahil assuming yan silver. So ito pong example ay 5 na direct niyang na-sponsoran na silver. Okay? So dito po sa example, makita natin, no, wala siyang group pairing. Bakit? Kung bibilang po natin 1, 3, and 5, this is 3 levels lang. So yung i-connect kay number 5, doon po magsisimula yung group pairing. So yun po yung ibig sabihin ng 4th level and down. So just to repeat it, if you see this example, you can see that this is an example of this person you sponsoring 5 silver, okay, silver friends, silver accounts, and this is giving the 1 and 2, which is a direct sponsor and redemption bonus discussed last Friday. And now, because you place them evenly, like left and right, then you get first pair, okay, which is the level pairing, 40% of the silver, which is $80. So now on the 5th, as you can see, the number 5, this is representing now the 3rd level of this you person. So group pairing starts from the person that will be connected under number 5. So that's where the group pairing will start and combine all the points. So I repeat, this 1, 3, and 5, this is the one that we saw in the writings a while ago, that it says level 1, 2, and 3 does not have group pairing. Okay, so ito po, this is the illustration. Now, of course, now speaking of income distribution, why is it like this on the right? There is this cash and there is redemption point, and then the combination of that, basically the income distribution is also part of our safety feature. Okay, so as you can see here, I only included this because 80% and 20%, because this is the topic covered right now. Okay, so the one that is pure cash, I believe, will be the next topic on Friday. So stay tuned. Okay, going back, all the bonus from the 1st and 2nd that we heard last Friday, and now today, 3rd and 4th bonus, is 80% cash and 20% product points. So if you have your dashboard, this is how it will look like. Okay, this is a random account that we checked. And this bonus wallet, this is where, okay, you will receive the one that says cash. The 80% cash, this is where we receive, where last Friday our professor showed us the 3 kinds of wallet. So we have the bonus wallet, we have the register wallet, and the bonus redemption wallet. So basically, this bonus wallet and bonus redemption wallet is the wallet that would always receive the income distribution. So 80% in your bonus wallet and 20% in your bonus redemption wallet here, which you always hear BRW, which the one that we heard last Friday that can be redeemed with products. So again, this is the income distribution, also with number 3 and number 4 way to earn. For a recap, okay, again, this was discussed last Friday, 1 and 2. Now, with the 3rd and 4th, number 3, level pairing bonus, okay, is 40% of the PV for every first package on the left and right group, which is first pair in every level up to infinity. So again, whether you directly sponsored or somebody else in your top upline or your leader there, as long as it will be placed in your genealogy and it's the first pair, you will receive first pair of that, which is called level pairing bonus. And of course, on the 4th, group pairing bonus is what? Left and right group, match daily. So here the word daily. Why? Just to give a little perspective, how come this one is saying daily and then the level pairing does not have daily? Because there are times that, of course, you cannot really say that when there's a pair on the left and then there's another pair on the right, sometimes it's not really, how do you say that? It's not really it's not really like an SOP for most of the people. Why? Because most of the people, if using the right strategy, they normally put everyone first on the, let's say, on the left side, everybody being placed there. And then there are times that if they have another friend from another place, then they put on the right. So it could be this today, or let's say you have someone on the left, and then maybe the next day you will have on the right, or maybe next 3 days. So sometimes it's not really daily. But here, although don't think that it could not be daily. It could be if, like, for that day, both of them are there, then both of the left and right are encoded for that day, placed in your account then you will have it. So you don't have to worry about that. You can also have. But I just want to give that perspective that it is matched daily for group pairing, paid based on business account. Okay, this is what I mentioned. Silver 8%, gold 10%, diamond 12%. So the maximum income varies according to account. So again, we will always remember that 1, 2, and 3 is based on the person you sponsored. And then, of course, 4, and you will hear on Friday, but at least in this episode, this number 4 is based on my package. So I get paid based on my package. So let me end with this. Just a little illustration, okay? In your account or in your dashboard to see, okay, to see the level pairing bonus, you go to navigate and you click rewards and you see their level pairing details. And there you go, you will see everyone there on the left and right. Now, if you see that on the right, there's this empty space. You can see here in the example, the number 8. So if I put this person under this name, under 7 on the right side, then I will receive the level pairing. And some people, this is where they see that, oh, there's a diamond on number 17. So can you imagine? You don't know who already shared to that person on the left, the 17, that's 2,000 PV, and that's diamond. So you can also strategize, okay? And oh, I just have 5 or 10, and then maybe on the 17th, I can put diamond, okay? So that you get $800. So it's really amazing because you don't know who even plays the 2,000 there, who closed the diamond. This is what I mentioned by even placement. You can earn as long as it's in your genealogy. So, dyan po nakikita ang level pairing. And of course, next would be the group pairing. So again, click rewards and then you see their group sales, L and R, left and right. So in this case, in this example, you see that in that date, okay, yan po yung kanyang left and then right. So obviously here, ang kanyang strong leg is the right. So ang magiging calculation niya is the left. Okay, so that is the example there. And of course, okay, last but not the least, okay, this is a bonus, an add-on. We usually hear about maintenance, paano po kung mababayaran. So just add on, you will hear this topic, but just to give the connection of the third and fourth. With the third way of earning, sometimes, you know, 1, 2, and then the 3. Some people, you know, they see that they get paid without maintenance, right? It's all right, you're starting, but 4th level, especially in this episode, you will only get paid if you are maintained. And then how do we see? Because we hear this that if for the next 6 months, if I don't maintain, I have 50% flushed out of the points. Saan nyo nakikita? Where do I see that? And then if 1 year I did not maintain, the points will be 0. So this is where you will see it. This is the one being flashed, the one that says balance PV. So you open your dashboard, you click navigate, and you open your name there, you see your name, and you click detail, and then you see balance PV. There you go, 46,660. So merong naghihintay sa strong leg niya ng left. So kung hindi siya magme-maintain ng 6 months diretso, mahahati ito, magiging 23,000. And then kung talagang 1 year, hindi talaga siya nag-maintain, ito po yung nasasabing mazi-zero, mapa-flash out. Okay? So basically, I am done. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you and blessings to everyone.